Hello and welcome from Swansea.
Hello.
I think recently we stayed enough in these budget hotels. I think we deserve something a bit nicer.
We do.
Well, it's meant to be a bit nicer. Tonight we're staying at the boutique Morgan's Hotel in Swansea, South Wales. It's a nice looking building. It was opened in 1903 as offices for the Swansea Harbour Trust, and it's built out of red brick and Portland stone in an English Baroque style with some Art Nouveau details. Anyway, that's a brief history of the place. Let's go and check in. By the way, check-in's at 3, check-out's at 11, and we've booked a deluxe room with breakfast. Let's go and take a look. I'll let you know the price at the end. It may surprise you. So we've checked in and we're in the Zeta Room. When this hotel first opened, we stayed here, didn't we?
We did.
In the same room.
Oh wow. This is nice.
Oh, it's right.
Oh, it smells nice.
It's a big room. I've lost Mel. Oh, there she is. I wonder where you were.
I was looking at the Z on by the door.
It's a bit different to a Travelodge.
There's a big Z like Zorro by the door.
Let's have a look. What do you think of it, Mel?
It's nice. I've noticed the blankets and things. They're Welsh textiles, aren't they?
Are they?
Yeah, have a look at the thing. I remember this from last time.
It's a big room and it feels big because the ceilings are so high. I think you've seen enough of my fat face. I think my lovely assistant Mel's going to do the room tour.
Who said that?
I did, come on. Show us around.
Only if you're not going to interrupt me, Marcus. This is a big TV.
Yeah.
Yes, LG. I presume it's a smart TV. What we got in here? Oh, nothing.
Nothing
in there.
Nothing to see there.
A little bit bashed up.
Yeah, when we stayed last time, it was
New.
very new, wasn't it?
Wardrobes.
That's been...
Oh, tea and coffee machine.
Oh, here we are.
Ginger biscuits. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Who eats them?
One complaint. Who likes ginger biscuits? There's one pack of
Your mum?
Viennese whirls there.
That's mine.
They'll be fighting over those.
It's a big bed. You get a rugby team in there.
A rugby team.
A Welsh rugby team.
Don't get ideas. I'm behind the bed.
Behind the bed's a mirror. Yes. At least it's not on the ceiling. Now we've got the comfy sofa. So we've got a phone.
Is it clean? Yeah.
Yeah, clean. So complimentary water, 2 bottles. And we've got a coffee machine, Nespresso Zenith. We've got the room information guide.
I mentioned that it used to be the harbour offices.
Oh, there we go. Assembly point, fire safety, information. Let's have a look. Anything interesting there? You can buy a Morgan soft toy.
Oh, the bar.
Well, the bar looks nice. So the bar's open 7 days a week. Nice,
Good.
Nice cocktail menu.
Good.
We will have one tonight. You promised me a drink, didn't you? You promised me a cocktail tonight. And now we're going into the bathroom. Wow, this is big. Oh, nice bathroom.
The ceilings are really high.
Yeah. So you've got a double sink. If you've got a husband like me that takes up all the time in the bathroom in the morning, you've got 2. You can brush your teeth and look at the other one with hate. Yeah, so what we got here? We've got Molton Brown toiletries. And we've got 2 robes.
Branded.
Branded. Nice.
Are they soft?
Medium.
Medium.
Yeah, medium, I would say. And then we've got a big shower. Ooh, the shower. Where's that? I don't know. The shower's interesting.
Because the ceiling's so high, the actual shower is on the wall. There. Look at this. And there's two. You can have a shower with a friend or a few friends. Yeah, it's a very nice bathroom. Like I said, when we stayed here, it must have been under a year old. But obviously there's more wear and tear now. But it's still in very good condition, I would say. The furniture is a bit worn and a bit scratched. But generally, very nice. No fridge. You sure? Would have been there, wouldn't it? I nearly forgot. Last time we did a hotel review, we forgot the toilet check. So here it is. Hopefully no surprises. Well, in this standard of hotel, there shouldn't be, should there? Let's have a look. It's clean. We can all relax. There's no surprises there. Mel's just found a design flaw in the bathroom. We're on the ground floor and there's big windows there with no nets or anything, and they're not opaque, they're clear. So there's an office next door. So if you're sitting on the toilet, in theory, the people opposite can look in. Okay, now you can relax. So, a few more details about the hotel. It's got 20 rooms in the main building and another 22 in neighbouring Morgan's townhouse.
That's quite a lot of rooms.
I think the official rating is 4-star. On TripAdvisor, it's got 4.3 from 1,945 reviews.
That's pretty good.
And that's the price, which I'll let you know at the end.
So what number is it on TripAdvisor?
Number 2 out of the hotels.
In Swansea.
And number 1 is called the Georgian, which is owned by Morgan's as well.
Which is next door.
So anyway, I wanted to stay in this hotel because of the building itself. It's nice, isn't it? We're meant to be going to the bar.
Okay, let's go to the bar then.
I've noticed they've got branded carpets. I like the fact they've got some of the original doors, these old heavy wooden office doors from the early 1900s. Very quickly, what do you think of these tiles? These old Edwardian tiles. Original from when this place was offices. I like them, but they remind me of an old public convenience. What do you think? Let's take a look at the menu. So, a pint of Peroni's £6.50, which isn't too bad for a hotel like this. And cocktails, £9.50. Cheers.
Cheers, dear.
Pint of Peroni. And sparkling elderflower, £9.40. Not too bad. Not cheap, but not too bad really for a hotel.
What do you think about what you pay for 2 coffees these days?
One thing, there's no restaurant in the hotel tonight, is there?
I don't think so.
We have to go out into Swansea in the wild. So we're back in the room. We had a nice relaxing drink in the bar, very nice. And Mel's gone to bed. And I'm going to go out for a walk to Swansea Marina. Let's go. And the sun is trying to come out. Very quickly before I go back to the room, to that doorway there and those windows, that's our room, the Zeta Room. Well, good evening. We're just about to pop out for dinner because the restaurant in the hotel isn't open, but we're gonna have a cocktail in the bar first. When I was out walking, this one over here, Mel, who doesn't want to be on camera, fell asleep and only woke up at 6:45.
I work hard every day.
So I think I'll see you in the bar. By the way, because we're going out for dinner, because the restaurant's not open, we're not going to take you with us. And many of the nice restaurants seem to be closed on a Monday night. It's a Monday night. So what's it like?
Yeah, it's good.
You haven't had your shot of Prosecco yet.
I thought you'd have it after.
No, you have it first.
I'm confused.
A palate cleanser. So very quickly before we go out, I've come up to the first floor, and this is where we're having breakfast tomorrow. Look at this room. Well, good morning.
Bore da.
How's your night?
Bed was comfy.
It was comfy, yeah.
Bit noisy though, I thought.
Yeah, we're on the ground floor, and it's like by the loading area, I think. Not super loud, but there were some disturbances about 5 o'clock in the morning.
If you're a light sleeper, I think it's not the room for you. If you sleep anywhere like you do,
Yeah,
then
it's fine.
yeah, it's fine.
So we're going to go for breakfast.
Yes.
So breakfast time. Let's have a look at the menu. They got the Welsh breakfast with cockles and lava bread. If you don't know what that is, that's seaweed. By the way, the little touches are nice. That real flowers on the table, yeah. Sugar and sugar tongs. It is nicely presented, isn't it? Something healthy to start, I think, before the grease.
That's mine.
So my food's arrived. I've gone for the eggs Benedict with crispy bacon. And what have you gone for? Bagel.
Smashed avocado, poached eggs and chorizo. Quite interesting, yeah.
If you missed that, Nell's got a toasted bagel, smashed avocado, poached egg, and chorizo.
Yeah, herb oil. Interesting. Shall I do the menu?
Yeah, go on.
Is it going to work?
Ooh. Well, that's it. That was our stay at Morgan's Hotel in Swansea. What do you think, Mel?
I actually enjoyed it, even though it sounded like a bit moany. I did enjoy it. And the breakfast in that lovely room. And the staff was so well trained. I thought they were an asset.
Okay. How much did I pay for this bed and breakfast? Considering last weekend we paid £146.50 for a Travelodge in Cardiff with no breakfast.
Yeah.
This was in a deluxe room with breakfast, £130.
Okay.
You could have got a room for £100. So
I think it was worth it. It's a lovely building. That's another big asset, I think.
yeah, the style of the building makes it.
It does make it. And I would give it out of 5, I think a 4.3.
I'll give it a 4.4.
Oh,
A 0.1 louder.
0.1, okay. Yeah.
Why 4.3? There's a few things to me. Service was excellent.
Yeah.
The room was big, but because it was so big, it was a bit chilly
Yeah.
last night.
And on the ground floor, a little bit noisy.
And a bit noisy with lorries delivering.
And the lighting in the main room could have been better.
But these are minor things.
The bathroom was lovely.
The pluses outweigh it.
Definitely. Really well presented breakfast and a really nice breakfast room.
But why so cheap? Well, on the weekend I was looking on Facebook and it popped up a flash sale, 50% off Bank Holiday Monday.
Oh. So what?
The usual price, that would have been £260 normally, which
Yeah.
It's not so great, but still nice.
Sign up
But
to their
yeah,
emails, I think.
yeah, I would sign up to their offers or something like that.
So I would stay again, I think. Would you?
Yeah, definitely. So that's the Morgan's Hotel. 4.4 from me, 4.3 from you. We'll see you again very soon. So it's a goodbye from me.
Goodbye from him.
Bye.
Goodbye.